Hey guys, Sarah from the Des Moines Dental Group.
And I'm Alicia from the Des Moines Dental Group.
We want to talk to you about this WaterPik because we are always recommending them to our patients because we love them and they work. So we want to show you how to use it.
It's super easy to use it. All you have to do is aim the water spray at the gum line and pause between the teeth. Trace around the gum line and pause between the teeth. It's very easy to reach on the back teeth, but you have to remember that you have to pause between the teeth. Also, once you're done on the outside, you need to go all to the inside and reach way in the back. Very easy for this tip to reach the back teeth, trace around the gum line, pause between the teeth.
That WaterPik really reaches those hard to reach areas where people have a harder time getting back there with their floss. If you want a couple of tips, if you're deciding to make the switch from string floss to a water tip, is always put warm water in the tank. Your teeth will thank you. There is a dial here, which is the intensity. Always start on the lower intensity and work your way up as the mouth gets used to it. And if you have a favorite mouthwash, you can always do a 50-50 mixture for that good refreshing feel afterwards.